Welcome guys to the channel. Today I'm gonna explain what this channel is about. You can see my bike here. I've been through it, some mods already. I'll explain that later on. But I decided to make a video about my adventure as a beginner rider, some mods, exploring my neighborhood, touring. Last year when I actually started riding, this is my first bike. It was exciting. I wanted to get a different kind of bike. I want to get a 650 Kawasaki, but the place I was gonna get the bike from, they sold it. I told them I was interested, but okay, they have to sell it. But yeah, my first bike, a Yamaha R3. It's pretty good. I'll do a separate video about explaining about my first year with the bike. We'll explain. We'll go more into detail. But when I started riding, I took the MSF course. Loved it. I suggest everybody to take it. It was pretty fun. Even riding with the class, we were talking about what kind of bike we want to get, what we can use it for. But yeah, the first year I got this bike, a couple of months after, me and my buddy, he graduated from college. We decided to go to Yellowstone. I'll go through that later on, but it was pretty fun. We went to Mount Rushmore, Sturgis, Yellowstone. It was pretty fun. I pretty much, when I got this bike, it had 2,500 miles. Now, after the first couple of months I started riding, it has around, I'd say 8,300, maybe 8,500 miles on it now. I'm more into touring, commuting too. I use my bike for commute in summer. In winter, it gets too cold. You guys know this. But right now I'm really urged to start riding. It's not too cold. It's 30 degrees with the wind chill. But yeah, this is a project. I had a wreck, not during my trip. Actually was coming back. Probably like a month later, me and my buddy decided, after working out, to go just to ride. I feel confident because of what the trip I did, how many miles I have already on me. So overconfidence, that was the problem. I was doing a turn. I was not leaning enough to make that turn. It was almost a 90-degree turn. But yeah, I'll explain that more later. I'm just trying to explain what this channel is about. But yeah, I'm gonna do videos about my bike, my buddy's bike. He has a Yamaha FZ6R. His first bike too. Well, he's been riding for a few more years than me. So he has gone to the track. He has gone to a different trip prior than the Yellowstone trip. So I'll say he was more experienced. So riding with him, I knew that I'd be confident to have someone with me to go to the trip. It was fun. So, but now, I'll explain later on what I've done to the bike. So, if you guys are interested about the videos, let me know. Comment, subscribe, like the videos. That'll be a big help. I'm starting a new channel. It's called MotoIB. The moto pretty much represents motorcycles in general. I'll probably do some videos about cars too. I'm into cars, and my buddy too. What else? So the moto. Going off topic here, guys. Sorry. The motorcycles. Then IB represents our group. We have a separate group called Iron Brotherhood. It's more of like a brotherhood. Iron represents working out with iron plates. In general, Brotherhood is the group, kind of like a family we have made. In our groups, pretty much, there's me, my friend. He's a certified coach for USP lifting, or Olympic lifting, I'll say, personal training. He's doing his doctorate for physical therapy. And our other friends is gonna be a friend that is from the army. Pretty cool. He was a cool guy. Another friends are from different state. They started doing their own gyms, personal training. Other friends are just a workhorse. He works a lot, concentrate on work. We're getting our group bigger, but that represents the MotoIB. The motorcycles and the Iron Brotherhood all together. We're gonna try to ride with our friends, new people. I know I'm saying a lot of sorry. But I'm trying to think this through. But there we go again. It'll be interesting. But yes, if you guys are interested about the channel and what I'm gonna put out with the videos, we're planning to do another trip, probably to LA. That'll be a pretty good trip. To Yellowstone, it took us a week. It took us 3 or 4 days to get there. We stopped to Mount Rushmore Sturgis. It would have been shorter probably. For the to the California to LA trip, we just want to go there. It will be a nice trip. I might stick with this bike, maybe upgrade later on. My dream bike will be H2, but that's a big one. But for perfect touring sports bike, I'll say, would be a Kawasaki Z1000. No, sorry, not the Z1000. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000. That is perfect. I've did a ride on it, a test drive. I've got some pictures. I'll put that later on in the videos. But yes. If you guys are interested, let me know. I got an Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. But yeah, if you guys want to know anything about upcoming videos, just comment, like, subscribe. I'll try to talk to everybody, and we'll go from there. But if you guys are interested about a certain subject, let me know. I'll try to make some videos about it, and go from there. Thank you guys for watching this video. But yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know. Comments. We'll go from there. Alright guys, see you later.